How to use a computer. Turning on the computer. Press the power button and wait for the screen to light up. Turning on the computer helps you start using it for work, learning, or fun. Using a mouse. Move the mouse to control the pointer and click to select things. Using a mouse helps you open programs and play games easily. Single click. Press the left mouse button once. Single clicking lets you select an item or open a file. Double click. Quickly press the left mouse button twice. Double clicking helps you open programs or files faster. Right click. Press the right mouse button once. Right-clicking shows extra options in a menu for more choices. Click and drag. Click, hold, and move the mouse to drag items. Clicking and dragging helps you move files, draw, or play games. Scrolling. Move the scroll wheel up or down. Scrolling lets you go up and down on a web page or document easily. Typing on a keyboard. Press the keys to type letters and numbers. Typing on a keyboard helps you write words, search, and learn. Opening a program. Click on an icon or use the Start menu to open an app. Opening a program lets you use learning tools, games, or drawing apps. Closing a program. Click the X button in the corner of the window. Closing a program keeps the computer neat and running smoothly. Turning off the computer. Click the Start menu, select Shut Down, and wait for it to turn off. Turning off the computer protects the computer and saves energy.